I'm happy to see you today. I hope you had a good weekend. I know I missed you. Let's start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Awesome job! Now I thought that we could sing a song.
Attention all astronauts, please report to the rocket ship and prepare yourselves for blast off. Thank you.
Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you wanna take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you wanna take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Awesome job, friends! Now we can do our calendar. Let's start with days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Now let's sing our months. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. 12 months of the year. Woo! Woo! And now we can count our days. 1, 2, 3, and today is number 4. Awesome job, friends. Today is Monday, May 4th. Circle time is all done.